Watch my video from the night of the release. Quite stunning details. When I concluded that video, that they gave GPT for some money, allowed it to execute code, and do chain of thought reasoning. Now I did fail that test. But there are The first was that the research center that was testing this ability version of the model that we deployed. They go on and say, relevant to some of the factors, meaning that crazy experiment. But there was something else that they tested. They were testing whether GPT-4 would try to avoid being shut down in the wild. Now many people have criticized this test. But my question is this. Or if a future model does. Now again, GPT-4 did prove ineffective at replicating itself and avoiding being shut down. It was at least possible. Otherwise, they wouldn't have done the test. Which leads me to the second insight.